Hello, welcome to Lexington PC Clinic YouTube. So right now I'm working on Proxmox. The reason is I have a home lab. I had a EXSI host set up here and now, but usually we download the trial version from VMware website. Now Broadcom is making very hard for testers. And I was not able to download, so I started Proxmox a couple months ago, and I had a two node separately working. First I create LPC1, then I created LPC lab, and I learned for several months, and then I joined them as a cluster. And so in the cluster I have shared the drives. This Proxmox backup, Proxmox ISO, and Proxmox VM in the same here. These are coming from my TrueNAS server that I have set up as a NAS. I'm pulling the storage from there and I'm pulling from there. So these all are shared. These are local. So this LPC lab is a Dell Precision 5820 desktop, and this is a Dell XPS 15-year-old. This one is a 15-year-old computer, and this one is a kind of new one. So I was testing what is called HA because I created one server here like a computer, and I create the HA high availability. So when you have this enabled, what happens if this node goes down, your server from here automatically move here. But in my case, I don't when I turn this off, the server stays here as green, but it don't move here because Proxmox have a quorum. It has to be in the quorum of quorum. So when your node goes down, your VM will move from that node to other node. Or you can configure with the two nodes, which is possible that you can configure it from when node goes down, it move from here to here, but that's not a good practice. To have a proper way to create high availability, you need to have a 3 node. So I had only 2. So now I am going to create another node on my Raspberry Pi. So I have purchased a 1 terabyte SSD, micro SD card, and I'm going to install Proxmox 9.1.1. Select target micro SD 1.7 terabyte. So I'm going to do there and flash. I am going to say I am sure, but it will take some time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video and come back when it's finished. So my flash is complete. I'm going to take that out and connect to my Raspberry Pi and see if I can record. I want to change this to match to one of these. So what I did, I changed the name so it matched with my all of these name, and then I look for it because it's supposed to be here, join information, but I don't see. I need to see where do I find it, what do I have to enable to see that menu here. So you can join from GUI too, but I did not see. So I did the command prompt way. This is my one of the IP. I did that, put the password. Let's see if it continue anyway. Yes, should not. It joined right there. Now I have to share all of this shared drive to this one so they can see it. And that might be that I will put that on next video. So the reason was when you install it, it put that all the sources that is a subscription base. So you have to remove those and add no subscription code that I just did. Let's see if that will take care of this. And I need to let's see if this works. We try it. Oh shoot. It apt full y. Oh, now it's 9.1.5. Dang, I have to upgrade mine. But if you see on the other screen, you still see the old IP. So I need to see where it is coming from. It's right there. Now I need to do config. Don't have there, so cd. Now I have to upgrade this because this is 9.1.4. I don't think I can bring that host here to do cluster. That change. That's good. But before I do, I need to upgrade my other one. Same issue. This is good. Upgrade. Changes. So I have to disable the enterprise one that is causing the error. I'll see here. So don't see that line. Where do I find the link to add in my repository? So I install Proxmox. It did not work on Raspberry Pi, so what I end up doing, I had an old HP desktop. I install on that, and it installed perfectly, but it took it. I did not select any network features, so it installed using 100.2 different network than all other Proxmoxes. So I need to bring this Proxmox to the same network so I can attach to this cluster. So I am going to do on the screen there so we can see 102 right there. So now no work. DC. Let's do this way better for me. CD LS right there. So here what we have is this one. So I need to change it to, I want to keep it on same network. So instead of this, 3, 4, this, everything will be the same. I will do the control enter X and I'll do reboot. Let's see if it change it. We'll start 2 seconds. Still same. That's done. So why is not taking? It changes. Let's see here. 133. We took it. So we are not going to do what is called GUI. We are going to use the command prompt. I'm going to open my putty. Where are you? Putty new session. I need to delete this. Edit 2.60.1.123. I need to save it to my all other. Yes. So now I have here. Let me see if I'm still recording. Yes. I will make it little bigger so you guys can see. Change settings. Experience. Change to 14. It's a little bigger. So let's first try PVE version. This is 9.1.1. So I need to do 9.1.4. Okay. So let's start to the no upgrade left. So now we need to see or something doesn't sound right. CBTC sources list still empty. So what we are going to do, we are going to add some source here. So I have a list of source. I'm going to copy paste it and then Control O enter. Now I'm going to try 89% AP distro upgrade. So signal all on these seems fine. Let's do, and I lost the connection. So go here. And my mouse is frozen now. My whole computer is frozen. Let me see if I can use other one. Nope. The whole computer is frozen.